Session 21, the last stop in ratio and proportion, and it's about maps. A map says its scale is 1 to 25,000. What does that number actually tell you? One unit on the map represents 25,000 of the exact same unit in real life. A scale is just a ratio in disguise. By the end of today, you'll read a scale ratio, convert a map distance into a real distance, and convert a real distance into the length it should be drawn. A scale written as a ratio, like 1 to 25,000, means one unit of length on the map represents 25,000 of that same unit in real life. The unit can be anything, centimeters, inches, as long as both sides of the scale use the same one. Scale ratios show up anywhere something is drawn smaller than real life. Every road map or hiking map relies on a scale to make distances readable at a glance. A model car or model train is built at a fixed scale, shrinking every real measurement by the same factor. Architectural and garden plans use a scale, so a whole building or plot fits neatly on one page. Why does this matter? Because mixing up the two directions, map to real life and real life to map, is the single most common error in this topic. Going from map to real life means multiplying by the scale factor. Going the other way means dividing by it. And both sides of the ratio must be in the same unit before you multiply or divide. Convert first if they're not. A map has a scale of 1 to 25,000. The distance between two towns on the map is 8 centimeters. Find the real distance in kilometers. Multiply the map distance by the scale factor. 8 times 25,000 is 200,000 centimeters. Convert to a sensible unit. 200,000 centimeters is 2,000 meters, which is 2 kilometers. A real bridge is 300 meters long. On a scale drawing of 1 to 2,000, how long should it be drawn in centimeters? First, convert the real length to centimeters, matching the scale's unit. 300 meters is 30,000 centimeters. Divide by the scale factor. 30,000 divided by 2,000 is 15 centimeters. A model car is built at a scale of 1 to 24. The real car is 4.8 meters long. How long is the model? Convert the real length to centimeters. 4.8 meters is 480 centimeters. Divide by the scale factor. 480 divided by 24 is 20 centimeters. Complete example. A garden plan uses a scale of 1 to 200. A path on the plan measures 9 centimeters. Find its real length, then find how long a real 18-meter fence would be drawn. Map to real. 9 times 200 is 1,800 centimeters, which is 18 meters. Real to map. 18 meters is 1,800 centimeters. Dividing by 200 gives 9 centimeters. Map to real life means multiply by the scale factor. Real life to a drawing means divide. Mixing these two up is the most common error in this whole topic. Both sides of a scale ratio must be in the same unit before you multiply or divide. Convert real-world measurements first if they aren't already in that unit. A scale of 1 to 25,000 doesn't mean the map is bigger. It means the map is 25,000 times smaller than real life. Practice question 1. A scale of 1 to 100 means what? Option A is one unit on the drawing represents 100 of the same unit in real life. Option B is the drawing is 100 times bigger than real life. Option C is the real object is 100 units long. Option D is one unit in real life represents 100 units on the drawing. Pause and remember which number in the ratio is the drawing and which is real life. Option A is correct. In a scale ratio 1 to n, the drawing is the first number and real life is the second larger number. Practice question 2. A real road is 4 kilometers long. On a map with scale 1 to 20,000, how long is the road drawn in centimeters? Option A is 8 centimeters. Option B is 200 centimeters. Option C is 5 centimeters. Option D is 20 centimeters. Pause and convert 4 kilometers to centimeters first. Option D is correct. 20 centimeters. 4 kilometers is 400,000 centimeters. Dividing by the scale factor. 400,000 divided by 20,000 is 20 centimeters. Practice question 3. On a map with scale 1 to 5,000, a lake measures 12 centimeters across. What's its real width in meters? Option A is 60 meters. Option B is 600 meters. Option C is 6,000 meters. Option D is 500 meters. Pause and multiply 12 centimeters by the scale factor first. Option B is correct, 600 meters. 12 times 5,000 is 60,000 centimeters, which is 600 meters. Let's wrap up Unit D. A scale ratio 1 to n means one unit on the drawing represents n of the same unit in real life. Map to real life. Multiply by the scale factor. Real life to a drawing. Divide by it, after matching the units first. And a bigger scale factor means a smaller drawing, not a bigger one. That's ratio and proportion complete. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.